Then we go to the next drainage hole. Drainage hole is for the glow injection hose and the pinholes editing. Cause for frame and Mulan, they both for frame they have each end have uh, four holes for the glue injections and four holes for the pinholes each end. No, for frame, usually has two holes, each two holes for at two bottom and lower for the glue injections, and another two holes is inside a little bit for the pinholes. So we need to add it for the frame. We need to add it four holes for the glue injections and another four holes for the pinholes. For Mulan, you only need to add it to for Mulan only need to add it two holes for the pinholes and two holes for the glue injection holes. Now we start. We add name. We choose the frame firstly. Then we choose then the number will be here automatically. Completion is the frame material and drainage. We choose here is the pinhole firstly. For the glue injection firstly. Then lock name no need to add it. Lock name no need to add. And for the big frame, back frame, and the walk machine. We need to choose the we need to choose the CNC punching. CNC punching machine. Let me check firstly. Yes, it is correct. And for the punching, we choose we choose the same first. Which one? Force fixation. Let me check the Chinese version. Yeah, that's first one. Oh, let's go back to English version. Yes, we go back. As you can see, we first finish the first connection hole editing, then we edit again, then choose the frame firstly, and the drainage hole, the glue injection hole, yeah, please. For the drilling, let's make it a CNC punching machine. Yeah. Both fixation, yeah, fix the value. Fixed value, make it number 10, and y-axis less, according to actual situation, we make it we marry it and make it 9.9. 0 less, 0 axis less. I make it 5, then 4. Depths we make it 5 millimeter. Usually the wall thickness of profile is less than 5 millimeters, so we make it 5 millimeter. Then you can drill it out. Punch number, make it 1. Punch quantity, yeah, make it 1. The opening angle, we choose the 0 degree. Basically all 0 degree, yeah. Then for the reference position, we make it the end is clockwise. You read the clockwise, yeah. You read for frame, it is up, and up is clockwise, and the lower is the counterclockwise, and we make it then we finish the first one. Then we add the another, because as I say, for frame you have two, each end you have two glow injection hole. So in the still 10, y-axis according to actual situation make it 65, and here also 5, and depth 5. You can drill it out. And number is 1. The angle make it 0, and also the end is clockwise. Yeah, then we finish this and preserve. Then we make another end. The first one is one end. The first two is one end. The other two is for the other end. Yeah, same. Oh, sorry. Here we need to make it punchy. And then also make it punchy. For this fixed value, make it still 10, and y-axis less 9.9, and 5, still same 5, 1, 0, and this one it is another end for the bottom side, so we make it the clockwise, counterclockwise. Yeah, then preserve. And the last frame, glow injection hole. Yeah. Then we choose punching. Still the
new visitor
and the basically same with this 5, and 1 and 0. Still the end is counterclockwise. Yeah, then we preserve. Then we finish the glow injection hole. For frame, we add another pinhole. There are 4 pinholes. Then we choose the pinhole here. Yeah. Then still choose CNC punching. Sorry. For pinhole, we according to the fixed value, we make it 49, and the y-axis it is same as before, 1 and 0 degree. And firstly, we choose it at the end is clockwise. Then finish the first one. Then go to next. Pinhole, and choose the and 49. Then go 65. Then 5, 1, 0. Clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. Then preserve. Then we go to the other end. Punching, and the other end is still 49, and oh, sorry, 5, 1, 0, and this one is counterclockwise. then the last one pinhole for free. $39, 65, 5, 5, 1, 0. Yeah. Then we finish 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 holes for glow injection, for another 4 for the pinholes, and then we added the Mulan. We make it first. We make the glow injection, and we choose the machine as the punching. First 10, same as above. 9.9, 5, 5, 1, 0. Oh, I forgot to choose. There is no. Let me check. Oh, we need to change the up. Check. I forgot to choose direction. Up. Left. No. Up. Down. Down. Then for the pinholes, make it up, and the pinholes need up and left. This up and left, and this down right. This down right. Preserve. For the Mulan, it should be enter the end is clockwise firstly, then transverse. Make it cars, no cars. Let me check Chinese version. here it is. It's currency. We need to choose this. Then we go back. Let me check again. 上上下下上下。Yeah, it is safe. Let's go back to English version. Yeah, so sorry for that. Let me go back. Currency. Yes. Preserve. Then we add another movement. Gallery injection. Then we choose the CNC punching. Digger 10. 6 5 5 5 1 0. The currency. For moment we all choose currency. Then we add the Mulan pinhole. 49, 28, 49, 9.9. Oh, so sorry. Oh, here we need to change it to be 28. Because the axis is different. Yeah. Then we change to 28, 5, 1, 0. Yeah. Here 49, 65 28 5 1 0. Counterclockwise and currency and preserve. Then we finish all the frame and mullion, pinholes and glue injections editing. Each side you need to edit two glue injection holes and another two pinholes. We finished that. For mullion, only need to edit the two glue injections and two pinholes each end.